Hey, Uncle, what you got?
Okay, today we are presenting the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Oh, excuse me. It's a AT&T phone, gold. So we're gonna unveil it today. Just arrived. Oh, excuse me. Okay, here we have. Beautiful. Okay, take this little off. Comes with charging cable and instructions. That's it. No headphone. Let's take a look at this, how this works here. Oh, it's thicker. It's a thicker cord. That's really good because you know how these cords are really kind of cheesy, yeah? Oh, what different type of connection. The regular connection here, but they don't even give you a charger. But this is a USB-C. Yeah, so everybody, but you can charge it. This does have the induction charging, so the QI on the back. You see, it's got the 3 cameras in the back, and I believe on the front too. I don't know if she's gonna charge far up here. Must be the side button, but looks nice. Oh, well, we're gonna, oh, there she comes. That Apple symbol. You know, it's gonna be a good one. So let's see. Hopefully we got a little battery. Okay, swipe to open. Okay, we'll go English, United States, quick start. Okay, let's go try quick start. I know you can, I saw on the internet that you can put your old phone next to the new phone and you can have it auto transfer. Uncle's sister, she got the iPhone 12 and that's how she got hers to transfer the data. Let's see, bring your current iPhone or iPad near this phone to sign in. Okay, we'll bring over, this is got my iPhone 12 here. Oh, look at that, man. Unlock to continue. Face ID. Continue. Setting up. Whoa, check that out. Hold your phone up to the camera. What camera? Oh, this camera. Oh, up to that. You had to hold the phone up to that little swirly picture there. Okay, enter passcode. Protected to your phone. Encrypted. Cannot be read by Apple. Okay, well, I gotta hide the passcode. Okay, she's setting up now. Whew, how about that? Easy transfer. It'll take a few minutes to activate, it says. Okay, let's see what's happening here. Okay, Face ID. Sorry, I gotta pull this up here so we can continue with Face ID. How to set up Face ID. First, position your face in the camera frame. Then move your head in a circle to show all angles of your face. I'm just reading the instructions here. Okay. Yeah, I'll let you see. I don't know if you can see what it's doing here. Let's see. First, position your face in the camera frame. Then move your head in a circle, showing all angles of your face. Okay, so we're going around and round. Can everyone see that there? Oh, okay, yeah. Okay, well, we're trying. Now this is a new, I don't recall how my iPhone 10 was set up, but this seems a little different. Okay, let's get started. Follow the arrow. Oh, it's having you move your head slowly to complete the circle. Okay. Here we go. All right. First Face ID scan complete. Continue. Move your head slowly to complete the circle. Okay, now we're going around again. All right. Second Face ID scan complete. Face ID is now set up. Continue. Okay. Transfer data from iPhone. You're moving from iPhone, you can transfer all the data and settings directly on this phone. Keep your iPhone nearby. Connect to power until transfer is complete. Estimated transfer about 1 hour. Whew. Okay, terms and conditions, agree. Agree. Settings from your other iPhone. The following settings can be transferred from iPhone or you can customize them individually. Allow maps and apps to use your location and permission. Select analytics and data diagnostics with Apple. Continue. iMessages problem. People can contact you on your device with message and FaceTime using your phone number or email address. The phone number of your iPhone will be sent to Apple to set up messages and FaceTime. Continue. Do you want to use Norman's Apple Watch with this phone? Continue. Yes. Siri helps get things done by asking. Siri can even make suggestions before you ask in apps and keyboards. Use Siri, press and hold the side button. Say, hi, Siri, anytime. Say, hi, Siri, in your iPhone. Hi, Siri. Hey, Siri, send a message. Hey, Siri, how's the weather today? Hey Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. And finally say, hey Siri, play some music. Hey Siri is ready. Okay, so that set up Siri on the new phone. Press and hold the side button to talk to Siri anytime. Improve Siri and dictation. Help improve Siri and dictation by allowing Apple to store your audio interaction with Siri. Dictation on the phone. Blah, blah, blah. This data is not associated with the Apple ID, but stored in a limited period. Share audio recordings. App analytics. Help app developers improve their apps by choosing to share app activity crash data, and then through Apple, you can change your decisions later in setting. So share with developers. Okay, download and install. Update iOS 14.2. Go. We got about a half a battery, so we should be good. Agree. Continue. About 2 minutes remaining.